Candidates start. Having considered the respective submissions, advanced, this court finds that in view of law laid down by this court in Papu Yadav, Sapra, the provisions of proviso to section 72(2) of the Act are to be treated as mandatory, and any non-compliance of it would vitiate the order impugned. Stop. This court further finds substance in the argument advanced by learned counsel for the petitioner that the collector had not referred to the provisions itself, whereas such a plea though was raised in appeal, but it has not been considered. Stop. Therefore, both the orders fail to comply with the mandatory provisions of the Act itself. Stop. In view of the discussions made above, both orders impugned cannot be sustained, and are liable to be set aside. Stop. Para. The petition is allowed, and the order dated 14/1/2015, passed by District Judge, Azamgarh, and order dated 3/4/2014, passed by District Magistrate, Azamgarh, are set aside. Stop. The matter is remitted back for consideration before the collector concerned, who shall pass a fresh order, in accordance with law, after having the parties concerned. Stop. It is further observed that so long as the proceedings are not finalized, pursuant to the remand before the authority concerned, the vehicle in question itself shall not be auctioned. Stop. Para. The petitioner have filed the present writ petition, contending that they are in the zone of consideration for promotion to the post of Assistant Excise Commissioner, and in this regard, the state government had issued 2 orders for convening a departmental promotion committee, in short, TPC, meeting for considering the eligible candidates for the post of Assistant Excise Commissioner, but for reasons best known, the DPC could not be convened, and the same has been adjourned sine die. Stop. The petitioners have, therefore, filed the present writ petitioner for a mandamus commanding the respondent to convene a DPC and consider the petitioners for the post of Assistant Excise Commissioner. Stop. Para. Learned standing counsel for the state was directed to seek instruction. Stop. He contends that an interim order was passed, a writ petition number 4943/2016, which is now coming in the way for holding a DPC, and, therefore, no fresh date has been fixed. Stop. Further, the state government is considering the relaxation of experience so that other candidate could not also come in the eligibility zone, so that more candidates could be considered to fill up all the vacant parts. Stop. Para. Having heard learned senior counsel for the petitioners and standing counsel for the state, we find that the interim order passed in the aforesaid WP does not create any impediment for the state government to convene a DPC for consideration of promotion to the post of Assistant Excise Commissioner. Stop. The court only held that the promotion may be made, which would be subject to the outcome of writ petition. Stop. There was no embargo upon the respondents in not convening the DPC. Stop.